Want to watch Instagram Reels with your friends at the same time? Imagine sharing the exact same feed and reacting together instantly. I'll show you step by step how to use Instagram Blend like a pro. Hi, I'm Preyo Phonie, and today I'll teach you how to sync your Instagram feed with friends using Blend. Step 1. Unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Ensure you are logged into the account you want to use. Check your internet connection for smooth performance. This sets you up perfectly to start blending your feed. Step 2. Tap the messenger icon at the top right to access your inbox. Here you'll see all your chats and active conversations. Make sure the person you want to blend with is available. This step brings you closer to sharing a synced reel feed. Step 3. Select the chat of the friend you want to start blending with. You can also create a new chat if needed. Ensure this is the correct friend to avoid confusion later. Opening the chat prepares the space for your shared feed. Step 4. Look for the blend icon inside the chat window. Tapping it opens the special shared feed feature. This icon is your gateway to a synchronized reel experience. It allows you and your friend to watch the same content together. Step 5. Hit the invite button to send a blend request. This sends a notification to your friend to join your shared feed. You can double-check the invite before sending it. Inviting is the key step to start a collaborative viewing session. Step 6. Your friend needs to accept the invitation to start blending. Be patient. Instagram will notify you when they join. Once joined, both of you can enjoy the synchronized feed together. This ensures everyone sees the reels in the exact same order. Step 7. Once your friend joins, tap Go to Blend in the chat. Now both of you will see the same reels feed in perfect sync. This creates a shared Instagram experience like never before. It's perfect for watching trending content together seamlessly. If this guide is helping you, hit that like button, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest Instagram hacks. Step 8. You can react with emojis or leave comments on any reel. Your reactions and comments will appear in the chat instantly. This makes your shared viewing session interactive and fun. It's like enjoying Instagram with a friend, even if you're apart. Using Instagram Blend is a game changer for watching reels with friends. Follow these steps exactly, and you'll enjoy a fully synced feed effortlessly. Stay connected, share reactions, and make your Instagram experience more fun. For more expert social media tutorials, keep following Preyo Phonie. We make tech simple and exciting.